Hello everyone, welcome to College Dunia. Planning to pursue an MBA, MCA or M.Tech in Karnataka? Then this update is crucial for you. Karnataka PGCET 2026 registration has officially begun and missing the deadline could cost you a year. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know about Karnataka PGCET 2026 from registration dates and eligibility to the complete application process. So stay tuned till the end. Karnataka PGCET 2026 registration is now live. Let's quickly walk you through all the essential details you need to apply successfully. The Karnataka Postgraduate Common Entrance Test, commonly known as PGCET, is the official gateway for admission into postgraduate programs across Karnataka. Through this exam, candidates can get into courses like MBA, MCA, M.Tech, ME, and M.Arch offered by top colleges in the state. Both Karnataka and non-Karnataka candidates are eligible to apply. However, Karnataka candidates can avail government and set quota seats, while non-Karnataka candidates are eligible primarily for management quota seats. Here are the key dates you must keep in mind. The registration process started on March 23, 2026 and the last date to apply is April 8, 2026. The exam will be conducted on May 23 and 24, 2026 with ME and M.Tech exams on May 23 and MBA and MCA exams on May 24. Make sure you don't miss these deadlines. Eligibility criteria are set by Karnataka Examinations Authority or KEA. Candidates must meet course-specific academic qualifications depending on the program they choose. For a detailed breakdown, you should refer to the official PGCET 2026 brochure available on the KEA website. Let's break down the application process. Step 1. Visit the official website setonline.karnataka.gov.in. Step 2. Click on Karnataka PGCET 2026 registration link. Step 3. Fill in your personal, academic and contact details carefully. Always double check before proceeding. Next step. Upload your photograph, signature and required documents as per guidelines. Then pay the application fee through online payment modes. Finally, submit your form and download the confirmation page for future use. A quick tip: use an active mobile number and email ID during registration so you don't miss any important updates from KEA. Your postgraduate journey in Karnataka starts here, so prepare well and stay updated. That's all for this update on Karnataka PGCET 2026. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to College Dunia for more such updates. Also, drop your questions in the comments. We would be happy to help. Till then, stay focused, keep preparing and all the best for your exams.